Hi everyone, welcome back. And the purpose of this last tutorial is going to be how to show you how to give commenter access to a peer editor. So first you need to go ahead and share the document, which we have previously learned in the past videos. You're going to make sure that the person you are sharing it with is an editor or a commenter. Either one will work. I'll go ahead and just put commenter for this video and go ahead and hit done so I can copy the link, or I can add them manually. I will show you how to add them. I'm just going to go ahead and add myself. And go ahead and send it. Share anyway. And now this person will be added to my document. Okay, so now that I have shared the access, you can go ahead and see that the other person is now on the document. Now that the person is on the document, I can go ahead and highlight what they've typed and go to the comment tool and add a comment. So happy you're here. Comment. Now, the next time that this editor comes back onto the document, they will see the comment that I have left for them, and they can go ahead and do the same for me. This is how you comment and collaborate on Google Docs.